Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of the assignment is Go 22 AC Integrated B Taos Welcome 1.0. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course with you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do my MyITLab courses like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stats, Business Math, Accounting, Finance, Writing, Technical Programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, or Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So first we will go to steps to perform in instruction. So in first step it says to open the Word doc file which we have downloaded with the instruction file. Enable the editing. So in second step it says leave the Word document open, then from the files downloaded with this project open the Excel file. So we will open the Excel file, select the range A3 to B22, A3 to B22, and clipboard click copy. So we will click copy from the task manager. Display your Word document below the paragraph begins. I am pleased. So here I am pleased. Here click in the blank paragraph on the home tab, click paste arrow, click special in the special dialog box. Under as click Microsoft Excel workbook. So here special Microsoft Excel workbook. So here it is. So click in the table to select object sizing handle, then on the home tab in the paragraph click center. So we will click here, click here. Format auto shape in in size horizontal alignment, click it as center, then press OK. It centers the this. So point to the table, then double click to edit the double click. So click cell B9, type 389.99, B9 389.99. Then click cell B15, type 379.99, B15 379.99. 0.99. then press enter. Click anywhere outside the editable to close the this. So we will click anywhere outside. Save the Word document to save these changes displayed on here. So with the Word document file still displayed, open the access. So we will open the access file which we have downloaded with this. I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I have already done this assignment and full course for one of my students. He got good grades in it. If you want to obtain good grades or want me to do this assignment and get good grades in this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So we have opened the access file. In the navigation, please click the store location one time, store location one time. On the external data tab in the export group, click more, then click Word. External, click more, click thing. Okay. In the export RTF file dialog box, click browse, navigate to the location store, then use this to save the file. So we will copy this, we will come to here, then we will go to Word here. Save this, then click OK. OK, close. In the next step, it says from the taskbar display Word document, then press Ctrl and on the insert tab in the text group, click object button, then click text from file. In the insert file dialog box, navigate to your storage location, then click your Word file this and click insert. So we'll go to insert. From here we will go to text, object, text from file, then we will move toward here. From here we will open this, then we will insert this. So here it is. So in 8th step, it says in the insert table, click in the first cell. So we will click in the first cell, store ID to make the cell active. On the ribbon on table dialog box in the table style group, click more. In the table styles gallery, scroll down and then under list table in the third row, click the third orange, which is style. Click list table 3 action 2, table design, table styles, list table 3 action 2, list table 3 action 2. With the first cell store ID selected on the layout tab in the rows and column group, click delete. On the display list, click delete column to delete the store ID column. So we'll go to table layout. In here we will click delete table, then table column, and store ID has been deleted. I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course with you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail or Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. As I have already solved this assignment for one of my students, here is the assignment which I have already solved for one of my students and got good marks in it. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course with you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. If you like the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in next video. Thank you.